To use ECG on Google Pixel Watch 3, first of all you will have to unlock your device and simply scroll down until you find ECG, Fitbit ECG. But if you don't have this, right here, you have to be sure that you actually open the Google Play Store and update Fitbit application. Fitbit. So you have to be sure that you update this on your watch, but also on your phone by going into the Google Play Store. And when you did it, when you have the latest version, this ECG will be definitely available right here. So you can just click on it once. Now just wait until it will be open. Click here to start with the mobile application. And as you can see right here, we've got this information that we have to click to get started. As you can see right now, we have to just click to get started one more time. We have to input our date of birth. Scroll all the way down, click allow. Click next. Click to turn on feature. And now we have to put it on our wrist. So click here, select on which wrist we are using. So I'm on the left one. We have to have a seat and rest our arms on a table. Now we have to select while using application. And now we have to rest our finger lightly on the crown. Remember to don't press this, just simply touch. We have to keep arms still, and now we have to wait for this 30 seconds until we'll get final result. And as you can see, that's how you can use this feature on the Google Pixel Watch 3. Thanks for watching.